Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can check if a YouTube video is monetized. So first step you need to do is to open YouTube. So once you open YouTube, you search for any video. So I'm going to search for AI video generator. So now I'm going here, you can see different videos. So I'm going to select this one. Let me pause this, and then you need to click on this share icon, click on copy link, and now you need to open is this channel monetized.com, and here you need to paste the link and click on check monetization, and you need to wait for a few seconds here. Here you can see that the video new free AI video generator and feature length AI film is monetized. But if a video is not monetized, it will show here not monetized. So let me show you. I'm go on to the YouTube and search for a video that is not monetized. So I'm going to search for this channel, select this, go on to the videos, open any video, click on share, copy link, come back here, and let me go back and paste that link here, click on check monetization. Here you can see that the video on Instagram is not monetized. So this is the process how you can check if a YouTube video is monetized. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.